NASA panic as huge space rock is set to skim our Earth in less than 10 days. This is asteroid 219QZ1. It's set to come within 3 million miles of Earth in 10 days. This is by Cruciatum Hans on Express UK. This giant space rock has an estimated diameter of anywhere between 57 to 130 meters. That's about 400 feet across. According to the Near Earth Asteroid Tracker, it makes it larger than the iconic City Point Tower, the Tower of London, City Point Tower in London. 2019 QZI will be traveling just over 5 miles per second. A collision might still occur due to mitigating factors. That's because of the Yarkovsky effect. We saw that with the asteroid that was supposed to pass way beyond us, way beyond our moon. And instead of that, it came careening into the Caribbean. This was on July 25th. You remember we made a video on that. It was a total surprise to astronomers because of the fact that they said, don't worry, it's not going to come anywhere near us. It'll be going past us beyond the moon. And the next thing you know, it came smashing into the Caribbean Ocean, July 25th. That's when the astronomers came explaining to us what the Yarkovsky effect was. The Yarkovsky effect results in heat emanating from an external object such as the sun, and it can alter the spin of the asteroid and force it into a deadly collision course with Earth. In other words, it heats the surface of the asteroid. Somehow that material makes it toss and twirl and tumble on its axis, and therefore it leaves its trajectory that way. It can even split up into binary and a group of asteroids. And in fact, the astronomers tell us that you seldom get an asteroid coming in on its own. It's usually at least binary, and it could be a group coming in together. Now, the 2019 QZ1 close Earth approach could eventually put it through a gravitational keyhole, in which the gravitational pull of the planet might be strong enough to nudge the asteroid into making an impact. Though data suggests an impact in the next century is still unlikely, NASA Administrator and former Republican Congressman Jim Bridenstine warned the chances of a collision cannot be dismissed, he says. And he warns, we have to make sure that people understand that this is not about Hollywood, it's not about the movies. It's about ultimately protecting the only planet we know right now to host life, and that is the planet Earth. NASA will soon test the double asteroid redirect test, that's DART for short. It will attempt to smash into the twin asteroid Didymos. And the main asteroid is about the size of a moon, and the moonlet is about the size of a pyramid. The main asteroid is about the size of a mountain. Now, and the little moonlet is about the size of a pyramid. The moonlet is what they want to smash the spacecraft into in order to push it out of its trajectory, and they want to do that as a type of a hands-on experience as to how to protect Earth from asteroids. So, the DART will attempt to smash into Didymoon, which is the smaller of the twin Didymos asteroids. The European Space Agency, ESA, will map the impact crater left by DART and calculate the weight. So it'll be NASA with ESA working together, but it's the NASA spaceship that's going to smash into the moonlet. And ESA will measure the impact results. The data from this would allow the agencies to determine if it's possible to redirect asteroids, and this could potentially allow asteroids to be deflected away from our Earth. Queen guitarist Brian May is also an astrophysicist. With a bachelor's degree and PhD from Imperial College London, he was chosen as the voice for ESA video explaining the project. May said of Didymoon, and just the seemingly tiny moon would be big enough to destroy a city if it were to collide with Earth, but we're going to find out if it's possible to deflect it, and this is going to be really, really hard. Aiming at a 160-meter wide target across millions of kilometers of void, Could we stop an asteroid hitting planet Earth? And he explained the dinosaurs could not, but we humans have the benefit of knowledge and science on our side. And he concludes the scale of this experiment is huge. One day, these results could be crucial for saving our planet. Asteroid 2000 QW7, which is similar in size to the Burj Khalifa, will come within 3.3 million miles of Earth on Saturday. The Burj Khalifa is 2,716 feet tall, and thus is the tallest building in the world. 2000 QW7 will travel at 14,361 miles per hour. Now you have to realize that the NASA and ESA missions, the Didymus DART missions, will have to be going up there and trying to fly beside this whizzing asteroid anywhere between 14,000 to 30,000 miles per hour while they're hurtling through space, trying to get at them that way. So they have to be going at least that fast. I'll leave links below for you for this on Express UK. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.